You can create AI-generated ads in less than 5 minutes. All you have to do is you import your product link and then you tweak some settings and boom, you have over 10 different ads that you can use for your business. Here's an example of what I made using this tool.
Ever felt like your old shirts just aren't cutting it anymore? Same here. Switch to Commerce Pro's men's dress shirt. Talk about a game changer. Soft, crisp cotton means I stay comfy and sharp no matter what. Guys, this isn't just another shirt.
That's just crazy, right? Like, you can make that entire ad with the help of AI. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do it, and I will show you some different examples as well. You can even do like UGC ads with it, you can do memes, you can do anything. Let's just dive in. The tool that we're using is called Capcut Commerce Pro. There's a limited free trial going on right now, so if you want to try this out during the holidays, then I would be quick. While you're on Capcut Commerce Pro, you go to Video Generator, and then here you can import your link. So if you have a product that you're selling, you import your link right here. If you don't have one right now, then you can use one of their demos. So let me just show you how this works. Here we have the product name, the product features, and then we have our videos and assets. So as you can see, it uploads all the footage that you have, and you can remove the ones that you don't like. Let's, for example, remove these two. And then you can also upload some other footage that you have, so it can use that footage to make a good ad. All the footage that you have that is good, I would upload it right here. If you don't have any footage, then you can even use their AI recommendations, and they have some footage right here of people, for example, in a shirt that I could use for my ads. Next up, you have the advanced settings. I will go into this later in depth, but essentially here you have all these scripts. You can regenerate them, but we're not gonna do that right now. And then once you're ready, you click on generate, and literally this takes less than a minute. It's so incredibly quick. Now here's the first video that we have.
Struggling between looking sharp and feeling comfortable? Been there, done that. Discovered my go-to.
So it has done everything from the editing to the scripting to even putting in these memes at the beginning. Like, this is based on some like trending funny memes that are going around on TikTok. So people look at this and they won't scroll past your ad. Now they have some other features as well. They have these product highlights. Here, for example, we see a Santa reviewing it.
Ever struggled finding that sweet spot between comfy and...
Now, if you don't like this, then you can even click on change the video style. And now it will make something completely new for you that might be more tailored towards your needs. So let's check this out. Now, as you can see, we have a different avatar right now. You can even change the voice to make it match more. And you can also change up the entire script for this. If you want to do that, you can simply go to quick edit. And then here you can change up the script. Now you can change the caption style. Then you can change up your avatar. So you can choose any avatar that works with your product. And then you can also choose any voice that you want. So for example, we have Santa Claus selected right now, but this one, for example, might be more suitable for our video. So if you like it, you can export it, or you can just put it down. It will be saved, and then you can download it further from there. It really uses these viral templates for making your ads pop out. So let's take a look at this plot test.
It is way too classic.
Classic? That's a bad thing?
Yeah, it makes it impossible to stand out.
But isn't that the point? Timeless looks win?
So yeah, people love following a dialogue between two people. They love to see what's gonna happen next, and that's how they were gonna watch your ad. And that is basically what you want if you are promoting your products on these ads. Here you can see, if we go to the homepage, then you can see this inspiration reels. So take a look at this one, for example.
A charging plug that not only charges your devices, but also meets your basic screen display needs, such as playing.
If you like that style, then you can create a video with this style. You simply import your product link, and then the entire style will be copied to your video. Now, we're gonna start from scratch again. So this template, for example, uses a bunch of AI avatars to review your product. And take a look at this testimonial. It looks amazing.
Noise canceling headphones are awesome.
I totally agree.
And they're super comfortable.
Our headphones are selling like hotcakes recently. Follow me and hear what our customers have to say.
Crystal clear sound quality and affordable price.
It's just insane how good this is. Okay, let's try this out. We're gonna create videos with this style. We're gonna use a product link. And now I have one of my products right here that I want to use for this. It is basically a fast wireless charger. So what we do is we enter our link here. Then we click import. So it immediately gets your product name. It will also get the highlights of your product. And if you want to add something, you can either type it in or you can just click on plus right here and then it will be added in there. Now here it has found all the media from your product. If you want to remove something, for example, this is a long review, then you can click on delete. Or if you want to add something, then you click on computer and then you upload your files there. Once you got everything ready, you click on generate and now your videos will be done pretty quickly. So here we have our video.
Convenient charging.
Travel ready.
Safe power.
Versatile design.
Are you tired of tangled wires and messy charging stations? Let's discover the fast wireless charger from KU.
Now, with the dialogue as well, the AI talking avatars are pretty accurate in how they pronounce even your brand names. And also they are pretty smooth. Like for this dude, for example, I wouldn't directly notice that this is AI. So you can use this and you have like real testimonials that you can use as ads. Let's try this another time, but now we go to the Christmas sales page. So here you can make Christmas ads with your link. So basically you can choose from your products. I, for example, have this flame fire diffuser that I want to add for. Now here it adds in some information. So let's say you're running a discount, then you can say like my original price was $59. Then the promo price will be, let's say for example, $29. So that means it's a 50% discount. Now you can do this promo period for a limited amount of time. Then you can select what type of promo event it is. So if it is Christmas, New Year, or even like Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Then you select your language and then you select the type of content that you want to have for this. So you can do, for example, this product highlight with a character that's even in Christmas style. Or you can do like a promo teaser, you can do reels, you can do special deals video, I like this one also. Or you can even do a Christmas meme. Now, let's just do everything that has to do with video and let's give it a shot. Here we have all the ads that it has just made. And honestly, let's just take a look at this meme one.
Feeling overwhelmed by daily stress? I was too until I found e-Fighter's Flame Fire Diffuser. Now just $29.99 for Christmas.
Yeah, that's just insane that it adds like the captions, it adds the voiceover, it even adds this cat in a Christmas. I don't even know what it is. Like it even adds like this Christmas cat elf. Then on this next one, we also have...
Imagine waking up on Christmas morning to the soothing glow of a real fireplace.
Yeah, we have like a different theme going on there. This is also pretty good. Then over here, we have this dude.
Christmas Day is almost here, and I can't wait to enhance my home with the Flame Fire Diffuser from AI Fighter.
That's pretty good. That's really, really good. With the background of the product as well. Here we have another one.
Have you heard about the hottest deal this Christmas Day? Get the Flame Fire Diffuser for just $29.99.
You can see sometimes it glitches a little bit, but the accurate lip syncing will happen, or like no buffering going on will happen after you export it. So that issue will be fixed afterwards. So if you like it a lot, you can just export it and then you can either publish it directly on like TikTok, Facebook or Instagram, or you can download it and do it yourself. If you want to choose a different AI avatar for your videos, you click on Quick Edit. Then here on Avatar, you see they have all these UGC type avatars for you. It's just amazing how many there are. And they all look very realistic. Like it's all real people that have been cloned into an AI. And you can use them with their voice for your ads. If you want to try this out yourself, then I would be quick because Capcut Commerce Pro is running a 45% discount of new users for their first month on a monthly or a yearly plan. Keep in mind, this is for the next 24 hours only, so I would be quick. And also, if you want to try it out yourself, there's a limited free trial that you can currently use. Now, if you want to see more videos where I dive into AI tools that can help your business, then click the video that's on the screen right now.